I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your Discover account, disputing it through the app is straightforward. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to the Transactions section of the app. Scroll through your recent transactions to find the charge you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the charge. Tap on the unauthorized charge to view more details. This will give you options related to that specific transaction. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Once you're in the charge details, look for the Dispute Charge button and select it. Follow the prompts to provide information about why you believe the charge is unauthorized. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review the information you've entered and submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your dispute has been filed. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that was legitimate, you may need to go through a different process to resolve it. Always double-check the transaction details before submitting. I hope this helps you resolve any unauthorized charges quickly.